Ayuda, Miss Christine Babaw. Grabe din ang pagbati niya kay Bel Mariano. Puring-puri niya ang dalaga, ang haba ng kanyang birthday message. Ayon nga sa kanya, I really saved this photo to post today. Bel's 22nd birthday. May mga gandang kwento ang first and second photo. I just arrived at Chiang Mall that night, February 2024. As usual, I was walking fast, holding my phone, replying to message, focused on my typing, when my assistant told me, Mamo, si Bel. Si Bel pala yung slightly na narinig ko ng female voice, though I didn't know na ako pala ang tinatawag niya. And paglingin ko si Bel nga, natuwa ako kasi sa totoo lang. Sobrang busy ni Bel, di ba? She didn't have to bother slowing down or even stopping to say hello. Her time is so precious. Baka kung ibang artista, baka dire-diretso ng lumagpas ng mall at umuwi. But Bel took time to call me, tita, to catch up my attention. Thanks to my assistant who called my attention, so I quickly turned around and there she was, Bel. I quickly ran back towards Bel, hugged her tightly and apologized to her because I didn't clearly hear her voice. Akala ko ibang tao yung tumatawag ng tita and did not expect to see her at Shangri-La that night. Bel with Mommy Cat stayed on the chat for a while waiting to their car. I managed to tell Bel and Mommy Cat that she and Donnie are in my prayers always. Alam niyo na yon kung ano ang mga prayer ko for them. We talked this photos quickly before they left. Dagdag pa niya, my gosh, I was super kilig that night. Dito ko na-realize kung gaano talaga ka-humble and grounded si Belinda. Good job raising her, Mommy Kath and Daddy Michael. Di naman niya kailangan ng gawin pero tinawag niya pa ako to catch my attention just to say hello. Na-feel ko yung utmost respect niya sa akin, hindi lang bilang isang tita fangirl niya, kundi bilang isang industry college. Would you believe that Bel even remembers that very first time that I interviewed her during the pandemic via Zoom for my YouTube channel? Ang galing ng memorya. Amazing. She is truly amazing, humble with an elephant's memory. No wonder you are a huge star now. Bel, keep rising. Happy birthday, Bel. Your gazillions of fans and your Charlie will support you as much as I can and any way I can. We love you.